A dual-tap kegerator is a cooling system for your keg that contains a double faucet or tap. It's a staple in many successful restaurants or bars committed to serving up refreshing brews. There are a lot of dual-tap kegerators on the market, but they aren't all prize winners. To help you narrow down your selection, we're going to review some of the great and not-so-great dual-tap kegerators out there. The best kegerators are stylish, efficient, and durable enough to make your business or home ready to do the brew. So what is the best dual-tap kegerator? Well, our number one pick is the EdgeStar KC2000SSTWIN. The function of a kegerator is pretty straightforward: to keep your beer cold and great tasting. The EdgeStar does this incredibly well. It'll also look great in your space because it's durable, sleek stainless steel. The external CO2 mount is great because it gives you much more room to store the beer you're thirsty for. We've researched and discovered the 6 top-rated best dual-tap kegerators on the market, as well as one to avoid. Coming in at number 1. The EdgeStar KC2000SSTWIN full-size stainless steel dual-tap kegerator and draft beer dispenser. One of the best dual-tap kegerators on the market is the EdgeStar KC2000SSTWIN. It's a freestanding indoor cooling system designed for your full-sized half-shell Sankey standard or 2/6 kegs. It's constructed from high-quality stainless steel, giving it a sleek, classic appearance. You can mount the 5-pound CO2 tank in the interior or exterior of the unit, the latter allowing you to free up space inside. Additionally, this unit is easy to move with the included rolling casters. To allow for some versatility, the front door of the unit is reversible. The EdgeStar comes in silver stainless steel or solid black, so you've got some variety when it comes to style. It includes an outstanding thermostat that reaches the low 30s Fahrenheit. And with the slim design, you save space while still accommodating a full-size keg. Best of all, the EdgeStar KC2000SSTWIN is simple to set up and assemble. It's a slim, sleek unit that stands out as a superior option for your at-home keg cooling needs. Once again, EdgeStar delivers a sturdy, dependable cooling unit to help keep your beer in peak condition. Now here's some pros. Stainless steel, a protective floor plate, rolling casters, and a CO2 cylinder mounted internally or externally. Now for a con. It doesn't support Coors, Miller, rubberized, or other oversized kegs. Coming in at number 2, the Kegco K309SS-1 Kegerator. This stylish dual-tap comes in with a super handy digital temperature control so you can stay on top of your beer's chill. This allows you to monitor internal temperature easily and meticulously to ensure prime quality. The deep chill function is an impressive, unique feature that takes things to the next level. Just press Deep Chill when you want your compressor to work at achieving a desired temperature. Once you've got your kegerator temp where you want it, just press Deep Chill again to resume regular operation. One of the best features of the Kegco K309SS-1 is that it's able to hold Coors, Miller, and rubberized kegs. Unlike many other dual-tap kegerators, this Kegco unit has the large interior you need to handle just about any keg. This is a sturdy, compact, dual-tap kegerator that can easily fit into your home without forcing you to compromise on keg size. Thanks to its low price, it's also our official choice for the best kegerator on a budget. Now for some pros. 1. Digital temperature control. 2. Roomy interior. 3. Deep chill function. And 4. Polished stainless steel. Now for a con. The fan runs a little loud. Looking to learn more about the dual-tap kegerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Now, coming in at number 3, The Kegco Kegerator commercial-grade 2-keg beer dispenser dual faucet. This 2-keg beer dispenser gives you a little more room than some of the others on this list. The Kegco Kegerator dual faucet 2-keg Kegerator comes with 2 doors and a large interior. In it, you can fit 2 full-size or pony kegs and up to 7 5-gallon kegs. Designed specifically for commercial use, this dual-tap kegerator is sturdy and durable enough to withstand the most intense kitchen or bar. It includes a rubber floor mat to help reduce the shock of heavy kegs on the floor. And there's an internal light so you can easily see what you're doing inside the cooler. Forced air refrigeration is something you want to look for in a superior kegerator. It's a powerful cooling technology that ensures your kegs are always cold. As a bonus, it extends the cooling all the way to the faucets. The refrigerant is ozone-friendly, and the cooler is energy efficient, which saves you money every month. Now for some pros. Holds 2 full-size kegs, powerful cooling, durable construction, and stainless steel interior walls and ceiling. Now for a few cons. It doesn't include a direct draw kit and doesn't include a CO2 tank. Coming in at number 4, the EdgeStar full-size dual-tap built-in black stainless steel kegerator. This attractive all-black dual-tap makes a nice addition to any commercial space or home. It's another winner from EdgeStar, and it has a wide temperature range of 32 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The door is stainless steel, and there's a digital adjustable thermostat right on the front. All of this makes for an intuitive, user-friendly unit that'll be a welcome upgrade to your space. Most important, of course, is the cooling system. Forced air refrigeration ensures that your beer stays optimally cold and fresh. The air-cooled beer tower is a nice touch, too. The reversible door gives you some options on your door swing. Conveniently, the unit can be placed either under a counter or built into cabinetry. The interior has bright LED lighting and a reinforced stainless steel floor. It also includes a surface-mounted drip tray and stainless steel fixtures. Some nice additional features include recessed door handles and a safety lock. EdgeStar can always be counted on to serve up ice-cold beer. The EdgeStar full-size dual-tap is no exception, and it gets bonus points for its easily adjustable unit settings. Overall, the EdgeStar full-size dual-tap has a lot to offer in the way of preserving your beer at exactly the right temps. Now here's some pros. It has a safety lock, the adjustable thermostat, bright interior LED lighting, and forced air refrigeration. Now for a con. Inside delivery is not available. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite dual-tap kegerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh, weekly video updates. And now, coming in at number 5, the BEER-Meister Dual Tower with Black Door Kegerator Premium Series. With over 45 years in the industry, BEER-Meister knows what they're doing. Their dual-tower kegerator is a sturdy, durable addition to our list. We always like a digital thermostat for convenience and quality control. Plus, there's a wide temperature range of 30 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Set it at the precise temperature you want and let the BEER-Meister handle the rest. The top of this unit is 304 grade stainless steel. Along with the black door, it makes a stylish and smart addition to your restaurant or bar. More importantly, the BEER-Meister Dual Tower is compatible with 6th barrels, half kegs, pony kegs, tall quarter kegs, and corny kegs. The interior is metal with a stainless steel floor and bright LED lighting. Included with the unit are a 5-pound CO2 tank, all connectors and hoses, and a drip tray. For convenience, the BEER-Meister Dual Tower comes complete with auto defrost and a door lock. All in all, the BEER-Meister Dual Tower is a strong contender for one of the best kegerators. Now for some pros. The digital thermostat holds full-sized kegs, the stainless steel tower, and can be freestanding or built in. Now the con. The door is non-reversible. Coming in at number 6. The commercial dual-tap Kegerator KITMA 90 inches keg beer cooler refrigerator with digital display. If you're looking for something more substantial, the KITMA 90-inch dual-tap Kegerator is probably right up your alley. This is a heavy-duty cooling system for multiple kegs and high demand. It's 90 inches long with a capacity of 30 cubic feet. The 1/5 horsepower compressor will make sure that your kegs are consistently chilled to the precise temperature of your choosing. The handy digital temperature control allows you to set your preferences with ease. This unit comes with all the necessary components, including a drip tray, so you don't have to purchase anything extra. The KITMA dual-tap Kegerator includes double faucet towers to connect to a beer keg or up to 4 kegs of beer. There's ample room for up to 4 homebrew kegs at once. This gives you the option to dispense multiple types of beer at once, which is necessary to meet high demand in an efficient manner. Although it's quite large, the casters on the unit make it roll with ease. This makes for simple cleaning and maintenance, and even versatility in placement. If you've got a big bar, restaurant, or hotel, the KITMA dual-tap is a necessity. It allows you to serve up ice-cold beer in a variety of flavors both reliably and quickly. Now for some pros. Huge capacity. The 1/5 horsepower compressor, digital temperature control, and a stainless steel top. Now for a con. It's a bit pricey. And now for the Freshness.com dual-tap Kegerator to avoid. The Nostalgia KRS6100SS 6.1 cubic foot full-size double-tap stainless steel draft beer dispenser. When looking for a dual-tap Kegerator, it's important to know the good, the bad, and the ugly. Unfortunately, the Nostalgia KRS6100SS is one of the worst dual-tap Kegerators on the market. Let's begin with the construction. The Nostalgia is made in China, and a lot of the parts are downright cheap and flimsy. The beer lines and gas line are all poor quality, which is a terrible place to start. The dual-tap Kegerator has one job and one job only: to deliver cold beer. Sadly, Nostalgia can't be relied upon to fulfill that task. Another strike is that the Nostalgia comes with one of the smallest CO2 tanks out there. At 2.5 pounds, you aren't getting much bang for your buck. The faucets are brass, when most quality Kegerators opt for stainless steel. On top of all that, the plastic top looks and feels cheap. To make matters worse, some of the parts flat out don't fit. The drip tray is a bad fit and the casters are too small. It may be a less expensive option, but by the time you replace all the shoddy parts with equipment that actually works, you've built an entirely new Kegerator. So you might as well purchase one that does what it's intended to do: chill beer. This one has no pros, so it's all cons. A very small CO2 tank, cheap plastic and brass accessories, taps that are difficult to move, and cheap hoses. And now, for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best dual-tap Kegerator. There are a lot of quality options when it comes to purchasing a dual-tap Kegerator. Whether you're looking for an at-home unit, indoors or outdoors, or a heavy-duty Kegerator to get you through happy hours like a champ, there's a unit for you. But knowing what to look for and what to avoid is essential when it comes to critical points like saving energy, making good use of space, and serving up the finest brew. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite dual-tap Kegerator.